Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And I had so many people request this video, so I thought, hey, why don't I just hurry up and make it for you. This is an updated version of 2023, and this is how to get a discount code for JD Sports, and this will be $100 or 100 Great British pounds depending on your country. I'm not sure if JD Sports is too popular in the US, so I'm just going to refer to the code as Great British pounds in this video, but it will be a worldwide code wherever you are. It just transfers to your local currency. Now, this discount code, like I say, will remove £100 off your order, so you just have to make sure you add over £100 to the basket, apply this code, and you just have to pay whatever the amount is over the top of that. So this is by far the best discount code that I've managed to find. If you find one better, leave a comment below, but I highly doubt you will get one better than this. So let me show you guys how you can go ahead and get your JD Sports discount code in 2023. You need to open up the internet, and you have to go to this website, www.giftcardhero.net. Now, you can type it directly into your browser, which I recommend, or you can go to Google and type www.giftcardhero.net, and it will be here. If there's some stuff above it, just scroll down. You just have to find giftcardhero.net. So, but like I say, I recommend just typing it directly into your internet and find this website. So when you reach the home page, guys, we need to look for the JD Sports page on here. Now, to do that, we have to press menu and then go to search and just type in JD. Here we go. JD Sports promo codes 2023. Scroll down. This has already been used so much, but it still works. Now, these codes say they're limited. However, as long as you can find this page, and this number may not update, but if this page is here, that means there's codes for you. And you can see £100 off your order. And this is for new as well as existing customers. So literally anyone can use this code. And it's been verified today. So how do we get the code? We need to press this green button that says reveal promo code. Now, this will bring up this page. If you see this page, that's a good sign. That means there is a code for you to get. However, we just need to unlock it. This is completely free and it takes a couple of minutes, but this just protects the codes from people creating robots and programs to steal them. So all we need to do is complete 2 of the tasks below. These are like free apps and free surveys. It takes a couple of minutes, but it's well worth it to get a £100 code. So I'm going to go ahead, click on this one and just answer the questions. Now I have to input my email address, so give me 2 minutes, guys. I'm going to go ahead and just do 2 of these and I'll return and we'll see if it gives me the code. So give me 2 minutes. Back, guys. So the power of editing, that took me a few minutes, but for you that was a split second. So like I said, I just completed 2 of these. Now it says complete 2, however sometimes it glitches and you have to complete a third, but just complete 2, and if it hasn't worked, do a third and then it should work. So when you go back to this page on giftcardhero.net, scroll back down to where that button is, and there we go. It has now revealed the full promo code for a $100 or pounds off your order for JD Sports. So this looks like a bunch of random numbers and digits. However, when entered in checkout, it's going to remove 100 off your basket. And that is how you do it, guys. You have to go to giftcardhero.net and make sure when you add the products, you just have to add over £100 to the basket, apply the code, and yeah. So for example, I added £105 because I bought a few pairs of like t-shirts and tracksuit bottoms, and applied the code, and I only had to pay £5, so it's pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Press the like button if this worked for you and you got your code, and I'll see you next time.